Hey guys, Tech Venture with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to charge your iPhone using your iPad using this latest method. So your iPad can actually charge your iPhone if you have the right iPad here. The newer iPads that come with the USB-C cable, right like this one, it's going to be ones that are going to be able to do that. And it's going to be really simple. First thing I'll show you here with the iPhone 15 Pro that I have, and I have iPad 6 mini 6th generation, but any of the iPad will work. What I need here is the USB-C cable, which comes with the new iPhone 15 here. This cable here, you also get it with the iPad as well. So both ends here, as you can see here, are USB-C. And in order to charge it, first thing I'll do is connect one end over here and then connect the other end to my new iPhone 15 Pro. So we're going to go ahead and see how that works. And we're going to see right up there here, it is charging for us just like that. And you can charge, as you can see here. Generally, the way it works is the iPad has to have more charge for it to work. So whatever device has more charge, it's going to charge that device. Because my iPhone here only has 31% and my iPad here has 88%, it's going to be charging. And now, don't expect this charge to be a fast charge. It's going to slowly charge, but you'll get the charge to charge up, and it'll just take that battery percentage and then just go into this one. Now you can also do it with an older iPhone as well. You don't have to have the new iPhone 15 lineup. You can also have, if you have an older iPhone, like the ones that you use for charger, the one with the USB-C end and then the lightning, you can connect the USB-C here just like this one. And here I have iPhone 14 Pro, right, that I'm going to show you how that's done. So we take the 14 Pro here. We're going to go ahead and see how this works here. We're going to go ahead and connect this end. And then you can see here it's charging again just like that. And again, because this one has a little lower charge, 84 versus 87 up here, it's going to charge this iPhone just like that. And you see here, we can use our iPad to charge our iPhone just like that. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks like this one for your iPhone, iPad, and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.